So in this video I'll tell you how you can actually create shared books on Cashbook. So Cashbook is basically a ledger management application, so where you can keep track of your finances. So those who must be in North India, they must be knowing about this concept of Bahi Khata. So this is a kind of that concept, so you can use it in a day to day life, not only for businesses. So anyone can use it for tracking their expenses, for tracking their savings, so that like how much am I spending, how much am I actually earning. So that's the kind of thing that you can use this for, right? So what, there are options such as cash in and cash out. Cash in is like I'm getting money, cash out is my money is I'm paying to someone, it is going outside, right? So there is an option that you need to do is like basically you need to create a share. When you create a shared book, you just need to click on add new book. I'm taking the name of the book as demo 3. So as soon as I click on demo 3, this is created. I just need to click on demo 3. After that, what will happen is there are two options, one is cash in, one is cash out. Cash in is obviously I receive money, so it is shown in green as well. After that, let's say this is the amount I received from X. Cool. So this is what I received from X. I click on save. After that, my cash out is 500 rupees, pay to someone known as Y. Fine. So this is my total cash in is 1000, my total cash out is 500, my final balance is obviously 500. 1000 minus 500 is 500. And there is an option where you can actually share this book with others. So let's say I am having financial transaction with a person known as X, so I can share this book with X directly, and X can actually access it. So they can also update it, like if they have received the money or not, if I have paid or not, if they have paid and I have received it or not. So this is a kind of thing you can share with many people, like with the people that you want. And later on you can actually use it for tracking your savings and expenses, right? So here is the option of clicking that. So you just need to click on this. After that, you can click on add members. As soon as you click on add members, they'll fetch your contacts. And after that, let's say I'll just do it, add members. Let's say I select one person from my list, from my 1000 contacts. Let's say I selected him. So checking if the contact is on Cashbook. So he's a Cashbook user, you can see on top he's a Cashbook user. He is not a Cashbook user, like they can also be added. They'll be just getting an invite to join the Cashbook application, right? So I'll add him as he is a Cashbook user. This number that he is using, I'll just click on Cashbook user. As soon as I click on add, you can see his name is here, this is me, this is him, and he can also fetch this, right? I'll just show you one example, that old demo book that was created on my name. So I have shared with Vivek. So Vivek can actually see this. Vivek have entered 9565. Actually this was a notification check earlier. Like this is the amount can Vivek entered, and I can see. Let's say I can also enter, let's say 1000, 1 lakh, or maybe receive, fine, and cash out 50,000, pay. So this is what I can do as well. And the total cash in and cash out keeps on changing, right? So this is what can be done on this application. And I hope you have understood how to use this application. So thanks for watching the video. Do give it a thumbs up. Bye bye.